Issues such as creation of additional states for the region, perceived marginalization, and lopsided appointments, among others, were raised and addressed. Explaining how he offers appointments, especially the recent appointment of the Inspector General of Police, President Buhari said he follows the records, stressing that he picked the most competent for the job, not basing on tribal or religious inclinations. President Buhari pointed out that before he came in, many projects including the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, second bridge across the River Niger, among others, were abandoned but are currently receiving attention. He expressed commitment to the country's unity and the good of the common man, reminding stakeholders of the roles they must play to enthrone a better Nigeria.
The costume of the police, those of you who are in the military, even in the Biafran army, you know that the entry point is the same, and you go to basic training. When you go to your formations or institution, whether it is Army, Navy, Air Force, or the police, then, okay, seniority matters, but the most competent police seniority is the one that gets there.
Earlier, while welcoming the president, Governor Willie Obiano appreciated his interest in the well-being of the Nigerian populace, with particular reference to Anambra, urging him to make sure that regular funds are provided to complete the second bridge across the River Niger in a record time.
I'm also appreciative of what you've done to us by putting money down for second Niger bridge. I went to inspect that bridge that is being under construction, and the chairman and the MD, they confirmed to me that they've received money and that they are pursuing the work aggressively. He actually said they received 30 billion naira.
Speaking on behalf of the traditional rulers, the traditional ruler of Okpuno, Igwe Okafor, called on President Buhari to work towards providing an opportunity for traditional rulers to play constitutional role in governance, calling for a place for the Southeast region at the Security Council, among other issues.
In terms of appointment to key offices, the recent one is the appointment of the Inspector General of Police, which we thought should have come from us in the Southeast. It never happened. The second one is what we have been crying since. No representation in the Security Council of any Southeast person.
The state chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, Reverend John Ndubisi, who spoke on behalf of the Christian community, disclosed that they are engaging eligible voters to ensure active participation in forthcoming elections. The President General of Anambra State Association of Town Unions, Chief Alex Onukwe, while thanking the President for various ongoing works in the region, drew his attention to the abandoned Onitsha-Nsukka Federal Road, which he said leads to agrarian communities, calling for devolution of powers to bring governance closer to the people. Speaking to the ABS, the Transition Committee Chairman for Onitsha North Local Government Area, Mr. Patrick Mba, said that the presidential visit, which was as a result of Governor Obiano's cordial relationship with the federal government, will hopefully increase federal presence in the state. From Onitsha, Ejike Abana, ABS News.